dear students, we are studying the chapter Nutrition in Animals. In this chapter we are learning human digestive system, the various parts of human digestive system. In this, the first one is mouth or buccal cavity. So in our previous video we have already completed salivary gland, right? So today we are going to learn about teeth, human teeth. Okay, the teeth are an important part of our body, right? So they help us to chew and eat our food. The teeth break down food into smaller pieces, right? So this is called mastication. So what is mastication? The teeth break down food into smaller pieces. This is called mastication. Hence, the mechanical digestion of food starts in the mouth itself, right? And these teeth help us to speak clearly, correct? So do you know that a kid can have maximum 20 milk teeth? Okay, so these milk teeth fall off after a certain age, fine, and when he grows up he will have 32 teeth. That means an adult human being has 32 teeth. Okay, so now if you look at your teeth in the mirror, you will notice that the teeth in your mouth are of different shapes and sizes. We have 4 different types of teeth. Each type of teeth has different purpose, like cutting, tearing, grinding and chewing. Okay, so there are 4 different types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Let us have a look at this picture to understand the positions of these different types of teeth. In this picture, you can see incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, so this is upper jaw and this is the lower jaw. Fine. The front 4 teeth in both upper and lower jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the upper jaw and here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these 4 teeth in the both upper jaw and lower jaws, they all are same in shape and have a sharp edge. Okay, so they work like scissors and they are their function is to bite and cut the food into smaller pieces. Hence they are called as incisors. Okay, so these 4 teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the upper jaw and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the lower jaw. So these are called as incisors. So 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. So now look at the sharp pointed teeth located on both sides of the incisors. This one and this one here, this one and this one. Okay, so these are used to tear the food, just like a fork. Okay, so hence they are called as canines. These are canines. Fine. So they are 4 in number, 2 in each jaw. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so total number is 4. At the back of the canine, okay, so there are 2 broad and flat teeth are present. Okay, so these are called as premolars. Okay, so their function is to grind the food, okay, into small pieces. Fine. So there are 4 premolars in each jaw. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 in lower jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4 in upper jaw. Okay, so total 8 are there, 4 in each jaw. Now look at the last 3 teeth, these 3, 1, 2, 3 on both the sides of each jaw. See here, last 3, 1, 2, 3 in upper jaw, 1, 2, 3 and this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are called as molars. Their function is also similar to premolars, that is grinding of the food. Okay, so here they are 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 3, 6. So total 12 teeth are molars. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8 teeth, incisors. 2 plus 2, 4 canines. Fine. 4 plus 4, 8 premolars, and 6 plus 6, 12 molars. Okay. So hence we have in total 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw, 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. In this picture you can see a different color is given to different type of teeth, right? Can you name them? The green color, these 4 teeth, green color teeth, they are called as, what do you call them? They are incisors, right? And the orange teeth, this one, orange teeth, they are canines, right? And what about this yellow teeth on both the side, both the jaw, they are premolars. Very good. And these blue colored teeth, they are molars. Fine. So green incisors, orange canines, yellow premolars and blue molars. Now let us quickly recall the function of each type of teeth. So incisors, these cut food into small pieces. Fine. Canines, these help in tearing the food. Premolars and molars, they are both involved in grinding the food. Okay. So this is all about human teeth.